What's up, guys? So this is 3 things I want you to know. This is going to be a shorter video, I hope, but I'm really passionate about all these 3 things, so hopefully just stay tuned. Let's jump right into the video. The 3 things I want you to know, and this is basically for my subscribers. There's no title to this video. It's just 3 things I want you to know. Okay, number 1, you are loved and you are valuable and you are cherished and you are precious. Okay, I want you to know that. Okay, no matter what anybody says about you, you are valuable. You have value and you have purpose. Okay, number 2 is somebody died for you, and if you can say all you want. No. Okay, somebody died for you and somebody loved you enough to die for you. Okay, if you want, so number 3 is I want you to find your purpose. I want you to find what you're passionate about and make a living from it. I want you to have a goal, have a vision, and work towards that vision every day. Number 3 is I want you to not watch pornography. I want you to fight against pornography because it steals joy, it steals happiness, it robs people of happiness, it damages relationships, and much, much more. So if you like this video, if you agree on these 3 things, please share the video. I would love for this video to get shared and more people to realize this, because it will probably only get 100 views, which I would love it to get even more views, just for the sake of for people to hear this stuff. So let's just go over all the 4 things I want you to know. Is you are loved, you are valuable, and you are precious. Number 2 is somebody loved you enough to die for you. Loves you enough to die for you. Number 3 is I want you to find your purpose. And how you do that, I'll go in more detail on all these 4 things in the link in the description. So if you want to hear more about that, just click the link in the description. Number 4 is I want you to fight against pornography, and I want you to be I want you to realize that porn never satisfies. So if you want to, get with me on this, and if you want to share the message, just simply share the video on Facebook or whatever, and just share the video. I love for, like I said, more people to hear this. So this is just for you guys that these are the 4 things I want you to know, and I love you guys as subscribers, as people following us. I just love you guys, and I want to share as much value as I can. I haven't been giving, for those of you who've stuck with the channel, I apologize for, the content that hasn't been the best. I want to give you more value, start on a clean slate, and I just want to give you more value. So thank you so much for watching. Know that you are valuable. Somebody died for you, and it loved you enough to die for you, loves you enough to die for you, and I want you to find your purpose and fight against pornography.